Are you looking to expand your digital product sales and reach a wider audience? Selling digital products online can be a great way to generate passive income, but it's crucial to ensure that your products get seen by potential customers. If you're a creative designer or content creator looking to monetize your skills, selling templates can be a lucrative opportunity. In this video, we'll explore 10 marketplaces where you can sell your templates and discuss how to open a shop on each of them. I'll also provide traffic data to help you validate these platforms and increase the chances of your products being seen. Each platform offers unique features and caters to different target audiences, so let's dive in and discover which ones suit your needs best. Creative Market. Creative Market is a leading marketplace for digital assets, including templates. It attracts a wide range of customers, from graphic designers to marketers and small business owners. With an average of 4.9 million visitors per month and an annual revenue of $2 to $5 million, Creative Market is a reputable platform to consider. The platform offers a user-friendly interface, allowing you to showcase and sell your templates effortlessly. Additionally, Creative Market provides exposure through its vast customer base and promotes featured products, giving you an opportunity to reach a larger audience. Envato Elements. Let's talk about Envato Market, a leading platform for digital assets. As part of the Envato Market network, ThemeForest.net is a go-to marketplace for web developers and designers. It focuses specifically on website templates and themes for various CMS platforms like WordPress, Joomla, and Drupal. By offering professionally designed templates, developers can cater to the needs of individuals and businesses looking to create or enhance their websites. With its vast collection of digital assets, Envato Market provides a lucrative opportunity to showcase your talent and sell your creations. If you're interested in joining, simply visit their website and click on Start Selling or head to market.envato.com. With millions of monthly visitors and impressive revenue, Envato Market, including ThemeForest.net, is definitely worth considering for your digital asset sales. Gumroad. Gumroad provides a straightforward and customizable platform for selling digital products, including templates. It allows you to set your own prices and offers flexible payment options. Gumroad also provides features like pre-orders and discounts, enabling you to incentivize customers and drive sales. Gumroad attracts a substantial amount of traffic, with 25 million visitors per month, and generates an impressive revenue of $10 to $15 million per month. Additionally, it allows you to build a loyal customer base by offering digital downloads as well as physical products or subscriptions. Design Bundles. Design Bundles is a marketplace specifically tailored to designers. It offers a range of design assets, including templates, fonts, and graphics. While it may not be as well known as other platforms, it still attracts an impressive 1.5 million visitors per month and generates $2 to $5 million in revenue annually. The platform attracts both professional designers and hobbyists, providing an opportunity to reach a diverse customer base. Design Bundles also allows you to participate in themed design bundles and promotions, increasing your visibility and potential sales. Etsy. Etsy is a popular online marketplace known for handmade and unique products. It has also become a hub for selling digital templates, particularly in creative niches such as invitations, stationery, and art prints. Etsy provides a platform that fosters a community of buyers and sellers, allowing you to engage with customers and build a brand presence. With almost 500 million monthly visits and an annual revenue exceeding $1 billion, Etsy is a massive platform that offers potential for digital product sales. Utilize effective SEO, appealing product descriptions, and high-quality visuals to stand out in this competitive marketplace. Teacher Pay Teachers. If you create educational templates or resources, Teacher Pay Teachers is a platform worth considering with 19.5 visitor and estimate annual revenue $25 million to $50 million. It focuses on catering to educators and offers a wide range of teaching materials. From lesson plans to worksheets and classroom decorations, you can showcase your creativity and expertise. Collaborate with fellow educators, participate in promotions, and offer free resources to build a loyal customer base in this niche market. The Hungry JPEG. The Hungry JPEG is a design marketplace that specializes in high-quality design resources, including templates. It attracts both professional designers and hobbyists looking for unique and eye-catching assets. The platform, with estimate 390,000 visitors, offers weekly freebies, bundles, and discounts, creating a sense of excitement and urgency for customers. Participating in promotions and contributing to their exclusive bundles can boost your visibility and sales on the Hungry JPEG. Adobe Stock. Adobe Stock is a prominent platform for selling stock photos, illustrations, and vectors with 36.9 million visitors. However, it also accepts templates in various categories such as brochures, presentations, and social media graphics. As an Adobe product, it benefits from integration with Adobe Creative Cloud applications, making it convenient for users to access and utilize your templates. Leverage Adobe Stock's vast user base and the credibility associated with the Adobe brand. Templates. Canva is a popular graphic design tool that allows users to create stunning visuals with ease. Templates is a marketplace within the Canva platform where you can sell your templates directly to Canva users. It provides an opportunity to reach a large user base of individuals and businesses seeking customizable design solutions. Create templates that cater to specific industries or design trends, and optimize your product listings for maximum visibility. Koji. Koji is a platform that empowers creators to build and sell interactive templates and apps. Their domain website is with Koji.com and with approximately 1.9 million monthly visits. With Koji, you can create engaging and interactive experiences without extensive coding knowledge. From quizzes and games to unique filters and AR effects, Koji offers a range of possibilities. This platform is ideal for creators who want to offer personalized and immersive experiences to their audience, allowing them to remix and customize your templates. In this video, we explored the top platforms for selling templates, including Creative Market, Envato Elements, Gumroad, Design Bundles, Etsy, Teacher Pay Teachers, The Hungry JPEG, Adobe Stock, Templates, and Koji. Each platform offers distinct features, target audiences, and opportunities for monetizing your templates. Evaluate your niche, target market, and product offerings to determine which platforms align best with your goals. Remember, success in selling templates requires high-quality designs, effective marketing strategies, and continuous adaptation to evolving trends. Best of luck on your journey to becoming a successful digital product seller.